Hi guys, we're going to be doing 2.10 derivatives of tan x, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. I don't know if that's right, but yeah. Basically it's just like you're flipping it. So sine x, as I said before, sine x is equal to cosine when you get the derivative of it, or you're trying to flip it in the equation. Cosine x equal to negative sine x. You already seen these before. Tangent is equal to secant is equal to secant square. Cotangent is equal to, what is that? Cosecant square, negative cosecant square. And then the same as these ones, secx is equal to tangent times secx. I can't say the word. I don't know why, but I can't say the word right now. And then cscx is equal to cotangent times cscx. Well, negative cotangent times cscx. So basically, we will get into our first question. So as you can see, we're going to take the derivative of h of x. And these are split into two. But we're going to have to find the opposite, the derivative of tangent x. And that will be cosecant? Well, cosecant? Yeah, square. I am so bad. I gotta learn these terms. But yeah, basically it'll just be that. And that'll be your answer. So it's just like you're just flipping the trig signs. And as for this one, derivative of y, 5x, and and the opposite of the cosecant is tangents times secx. And that will just be your problem. I forgot to do on question 2. This is a disclaimer. You're supposed to take the derivative of this function too, and I completely forgot to do that. And yeah, not forget to do that on your AP exam. But you're just basically like before, since it's to the power of 1 times 2 is 2, and that will be, and this will automatically equal x to the power of 0. So that would just be 2. It would be 2 times secant square x, and that will be your final answer. Yeah, you just have to get rid of that. Get rid of that variable right there from the derivative. Same thing as for this one. It would just equal 5. I mean, I don't really have to explain it because it's the same. You know, it's to the same power as this one over here. Yeah. Yeah, I totally forgot to mention that, and that is really, really bad. For 14, we're just gonna go right into it. We'll do derivative of y. Tangent, opposite of tangent, like for the signs that we saw at the beginning, it will be secant square. And once we flip that, we're just gonna plug in, because it's saying at x equals pi over 3, we'll just plug in pi over 3 for x. It'll be pi over 3. And what is pi over 3 on the units? Secant is, and so yeah, since this is opposite of secant is cosine, it would be 1 over cosine. And for at this point, I just like drawing the unit circle. I am not thinking properly right now, but since the cosine, this is pi over 3 over here, and that will be 1/2 for the cosine. Basically, I'm just gonna write the point, but you're taking the cosine, so it would just be 1 over 1/2. So 1 times 2 is 2, and that will be, since it's squared, you have to square it, and your y prime will be 2. I mean, not your y prime. Why am I keep saying prime? Your y derivative will be 2. So that's the tangent line, and the opposite of that will be 1/2. So there you go.